Once upon a time, a wise man named Sindbad decided to share his thrilling fifth voyage with everyone who gathered around him after supper. Despite promising never to leave Baghdad again after his fourth adventure, the allure of the unknown tempted Sindbad once more. After a period of comfort and leisure, he geared up and set off towards Basra with hopes of embarking on a prosperous trade journey. Upon reaching Basra, he carefully chose a sturdy ship designed to withstand storms and provide comfort aplenty. Everything ready, he and his crew ventured out across waiting oceans. They explored many enchanting islands, eventually arriving at a peculiar one where Sindbad saw a mighty roc's egg. Against his warnings, his companions broke the egg and devoured its contents. Sindbad knew this act would not go unpunished and urged his crew to set sail immediately. However, they hadn't traveled far when the furious rock parents attacked, raining massive stones upon the ship. Despite the captain's desperate attempts to steer the vessel to safety, the ship ultimately succumbed, leaving many of Sindbad's shipmates to a watery fate. Sindbad found himself clinging to driftwood, tossed by the relentless waves until he washed ashore on a lush, green island. Hungry and exhausted, he rested after feeding on the island's plentiful wild grapes. Roaming the island the next day in search of a way back home, he met an old man hiding his body with leaves. The old man beckoned Sindbad, imploring with gestures to be carried to a stream. Moved by sympathy, Sindbad complied, only to find the old man wrapping his legs around Sindbad's neck tightly, refusing to let go as he directed Sindbad across the island. Days turned into a tiring routine where the old man used Sindbad like a beast of burden. However, once Sindbad ingeniously offered the old man fermented grape juice, and soon the old man fell into a drunken stupor. Seizing the opportunity, Sindbad freed himself from the old man's grip and, with a heavy heart, ended the torment by crushing the old man with a stone. Finally relieved, he thanked the heavens for his deliverance and waited by the shore for days. A passing ship noticed him and rescued him. The sailors cheered his newfound freedom and whisked him away to an island overflowing with coconut trees. As he curiously wandered into the depths of the island one day, he missed the ship's departure, leaving him stranded anew. Finding residents who lived in fear of the abundant monkeys, Sindbad joined them in their daily coconut gathering. Cleverly, they used stones to provoke monkeys perched atop trees to mimic them, causing coconuts to rain down. Sindbad honed this trick to amass a substantial bundle of coconuts that he later sold to another ship passing by. With the earnings, he boarded the ship, heading to an island famous for its pearls. Using his savings, he bought the finest pearls and safely returned to Baghdad. Thus resolved not to voyage again, Sindbad delighted in the fortune he gathered from his extraordinary experience, vowing never to leave his beloved home city. He warmly thanked his companions and promised to share stories of his other voyages another time.